Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek Ayam Chimthanawala. Today I will first discuss a very good case. In fact, I have cured a lot of cases with this symptom and with this remedy, though rare but commonly prescribed. This patient came to me because of anuria. Matlab, he said that the urine is suppressed, I cannot pass urine, there was a lot of pain in the bladder. Only with this symptom for anuria. Of course, he was first, his relative came to me, the patient was at home only. Whenever you get this symptom, ask it is related to kidney disorder or heart disorder. When I asked this patient, so he said that he is suffering from heart problem, CCF, so he is already taking medicines, but because of that the urine has stopped. Now if you have to convert this symptom into rubric form, and if you convert this symptom, suppression of urine, anuria because of heart complaints, suppression of urine, anuria because of heart complaints, if you see, my friends, this symptom, believe me, just think of this remedy. One dose of this remedy and the urine will start flowing. But the cause is heart complaints, suppression of urine because of heart complaints, and the remedy is serum anguli. Serum, SERUM ANGUILLA, serum anguli. A very important symptom. In fact, in the whole Mater Medica, this symptom is given only in this remedy. Suppression of urine, anuria related to heart complaints. My dear friends, hear this 10 times because this remedy will act like magic. The serum anguli 30 I give, and it starts the flow of urine within 1 to 2 hours. Enlargement of the tibia. This symptom is very important, and of course the arthritis nodositis of the olecranon process is a very important symptom of still angina. In fact, if you get this symptom, you must give still angina, you will get fantastic results, you will get magical results. Still angina has a symptom that is fear, as if something sad will happen. What happens? Okay, whenever we have this mental symptom, we basically go on to the polycrest because they are covered in lot of polycrest. So we forget these drugs which are very infrequently used. So if you have ever read still angina, again go and read. It has symptoms left-sided sciatica, and especially still angina is indicated in left sciatica, especially after gonorrhea or gonorrheal left-sided sciatica. A very important drug, still angina. And of course, pain in the hips extended to the whole foot, aggravation in the evening, fear something sad will happen. You will get only one drug in the repertory chart, and that is still angina. Still angina, 202 doses to the patient, came after a month, 60 to 70% better. Again I repeated in the second month 1 dose, all symptoms gone. The patient was cured with this remedy. So very important remedy, frequently used by a lot of doctors who understand what is still angina. Today you go home and read still angina, you will get a lot of symptoms apart from these symptoms of still angina. But whatever symptoms I have told you, these are most important to prescribe still angina. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek Ayam Chimthanawala. Today I will tell you a very unique case which I encountered in my practice. A very unique symptom for which the lady came for treatment. Sometimes some cases are so unique that it stays in your mind for a long time, because for which symptom the lady came was very surprising. The lady came and told me, sir, I have fear of cemeteries. She had fear of cemeteries. वो cemetery देखी कि घबराहट शुरू, palpitation शुरू, चक्कर आना शुरू. When seeing cemeteries, she started getting palpitation, vertigo, and perspiration, low BP. She had to lie down because of that. She felt so fearful when she saw the cemeteries. graveyards. On inquiring, the husband told she's like this only. She has a lot of fear. Sometimes she feels something is falling down. Sometimes she feels the bed is, she's not lying on the bed. She has a lot of other symptoms. But this symptom I'm fed up. So I asked, maybe she has some problem of mind which is thinking more, or she has a lot of delusions apart from this symptoms, because the husband was telling something else also. So I asked the lady, what are the other symptoms do you feel in relation to mind? Why is the fear? So she told me that, sir, sometimes I feel that the bed is falling on me. मेरे पे पलंग गिर रहा है ऊपर से. I said, why? Because no, sir, sometimes I feel this delusion as if the bed is falling on me. But please take care of that fear of cemeteries. I get very much fearful. I said something else. So she said, sometimes I feel that while I'm sleeping on the bed, I feel that sometimes somebody is pulling the bed from under. That is, the bed is drawn from under her. So I feel that I will fall down. I get up. The husband told, see, sir, all stupid symptoms she has, I must be sleeping there and there is nothing like that, but she feels no, it is there only. So then I asked her, because if you are fearful, you get palpitation, you get perspiration, what do you do? So she said, sir, I do only one thing. I go to the kitchen and I drink fresh lemon juice, which ameliorates all my complaints. What are surprising, what are unusual type of symptoms के the patient से जब भी मेरे को डर लग रही, घबराहट होती है, ऐसा लगता है कि भाई बेड गिर रहा ऊपर से, मेरे बेड कोई खींच रहा है, तो मैं जाती हूँ किचन में, नींबू पानी पीती हूँ और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. And the husband says, see, sir, all rubbish. How can she be better by नींबू पानी? How can she be better by drinking lemon juice? She's like that only. She has a lot of other things also. So I told, wait, I'll ask some more symptoms. So the lady says, sir, these are the main symptoms.